Hi guys, so I just arrived at the airport. Right now it's 9 a.m. and my flight is at 12 a.m. pa. Scared lang ako ngayon kasi baka ma-delay yung flight ko. Sana naman hindi kasi nga kakadaan lang ng typhoon sa Cebu and sa Siargao. So medyo kinakabahan pa ako. Pero bago naman ako mag-proceed dito, I made sure na confirmed yung booking ko kasi nag-offer yung Cebu Pacific ng flexible options. But I still decided to proceed kasi nga sobrang sayang yung accommodation na binayaran ko. So yeah, I'll see you again later. Hello guys, so I just arrived here at the Mactan Airport, Cebu Mactan Airport. This is my layover flight and right now it's 2 a.m. and my flight is gonna be at 5 a.m. Hindi ko first time mag-solo flight actually, pero first time kong mag-connecting flight and first time ko lang din mag-travel alone. So it's really a first of everything for me. First time ko lang din magkaroon ng flexible options kasi nga nagkaroon ng typhoon. But I really hope everyone's safe. The trip will be safe and everyone will be able to recover from the trip. And at the end of the day, I'll be able to enjoy this trip. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys again later sa Sayak Airport at 6 a.m. yung arrival ko doon. Bye guys! As a first time solo traveler guys, hindi ko talaga i-deny na kinakabahan ako ng time na to kasi first time kong mag-connecting flight and first time kong maging solo na mag-travel at malayo. Kaya, ayan, I'm really excited. Mas nangingibabaw yung excitement ko, pero syempre, nandun yung takot kasi unfamiliar ako sa lahat ng bagay. And, ayan, tingnan nyo naman, ang puti ko dyan. Pero, tingnan nyo na lang sa dulo ng vlog, kung makikita man, kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng buong stay ko sa Siargao kasi mas pinili kong enjoyin na lang kaysa tapusin yung vlog. Hi guys, so I arrived here at my accommodation. It's at Kayan Siargao. And medyo nagpahinga pa ako bago mag-film ulit kasi grabe. Sobrang nakakapagod siya guys. I mean, hindi siya nakakapagod in a way na nakakaantok kasi yung flight ko was 12 to 6. Pag pinagsama mo na yung layover tsaka yung Cebu to Siargao ko na flight. That's like 6 hours travel. Hindi nga siya 6 hours eh. Isa pang 1 hour na van papunta sa hotel ko. Luckily, sanay ako sa nagising sa gabi so hindi ako gano'n kapagod. But yung ngawit and yung pagod lalo na mabigat yung mga dala-dala ko, hindi ko talaga siya kinaya guys. Hindi ko siya napapanood sa mga videos ng Siargao vlogs. So yeah, ngayon, nagpapahinga lang ako and later I have a reservation sa Sev. So dun ako kakain ng lunch. And right now, lahat ng mga kasama ko is nasa common room. But ngayon, nagpapahinga lang muna talaga ako kasi medyo masakit yung buong katawan ko. And after siguro around mga 9, maliligo na ako and then prepare. And then punta na ako sa Sev to eat my lunch. And yeah, so I arrived safely in Siargao. Oh my God! See you again later, guys. Personally, guys, I did not like the taste of their matcha. I ordered their matcha latte, tapos nag-sub ako to oat milk and unsweetened siya kasi I really wanted to try their pure matcha version. Pero, ayun, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. It's more on the bitter side, and yeah, to each of their own, guys. But on the brighter side naman, mabait naman yung staff nila. Like, I asked ate pa kung anong mga dapat gawin, like, yung mga fare, ganun. one of the things that you should not miss out in Siargao is self. Kasi for me, it represents the island itself. It has a unique taste na hindi mo siya mahahanap sa ibang mga restaurant, island, or places. And yeah, it's a sour tasting food kaya nagustuhan ko talaga siya, na-enjoy ko siya. Hindi ko nga siya halos maubos for the price itself kasi sobrang nakakabusog talaga siya, guys, and pinilit ko na lang yung sarili kong ubusin yung dish kasi hindi naman siya nakakaumay, but yeah, busog na talaga ako nito. So, for the meal, um, yeah, kaya niyo na siyang for the whole day. So, katatapos lang ng lunch ko and naglalakad ako ngayon. Yes, sa initan. Kasi, tinry ko sumakay ng tuktok. Tinanggihan ako ni kuya. Lakarin ko lang daw. So, ako naman, sige, lakad din ako. I don't mind naman. Kaso, ang init, girl. Kaya mo yon first day pa lang. Parang pang day 5 na yung tan mo. Sobrang busog ako, guys. Parang inabot ata ako ng almost 45 minutes kakakain kasi hindi ko kaya ubusin yung pagkain. Yeah, so, super busog ako ngayon. And susulitin ko ngayon yung init, guys. Nag-book na ako ng surfing lesson. After this, babalik pala ako ngayon sa accommodation ko. Papahinga, magpapalit, and mag-aayos. Sana okay yung weather tomorrow kasi bala ko mag-land tour tomorrow or baka sa Wednesday. Kasi sure akong Friday, Saturday, uulan. Alam ko windy ng Friday eh. Kaya ngayon pa lang, ah, medyo ginagawa ko na lahat ng activities na dapat kong gawin. For the following days, in case na kailangan ko umuwi ng maaga or umuulan, at least nagawa ko na lahat ng activities. Kakauwi ko lang galing surf and hindi po yung ilaw yung problema, ako po yan. Kasi nangitim po talaga ako kasi 2 hours ako nag-surf. And during those 2 hours, syempre napagod ako kasi kagagaling ko lang flight, hello. And but thankful ako kasi pinush talaga ako ni Kuya Glenn. Anyway, i-drop ko yung number ni Kuya Glenn below kasi I really recommend him. Kasi magaling talaga siya magturo. I think mataas yung position niya. I don't know, nasa taas kasi siya nung parang hierarchy sa board nung Glenn's learning school, surf learning, something ganon. So, yeah, I really recommend availing Kuya Glenn's surfing lessons. And 2 hours na yon, may mga times na tinatanong ko na lang si Kuya Glenn na, "Kuya, ilang minutes pa?" Kasi pagod talaga ako, guys, nahihilo na ako, but still pinush niya ako na ubusin namin yung oras. Kaya thankful ako kay Kuya Glenn. And ngayon, nagpapahinga lang ako bago lumabas ulit. Baka mga gabi na ako lalabas, guys, kasi super pagod talaga. And yeah, yun lang naman. Magfi-film lang ulit ako later. And ngayon, I'm just gonna rest. Enjoy ko muna yung Siargao. Hindi muna ako magdo-document and baka tambay lang ako sa common room ng accommodation. So, I just finished my lunch and nandito ako ngayon sa Siago. And hindi na ako nakapag-video. I don't know if I was able to take videos before this. Kasi kagabi guys, um, na full memory yung phone ko. I think it was because of the videos I got from the drone shots nung nag-surf ako. So, yeah, it's really sad. Pero I think naayos ko naman na. And ngayon, I'm gonna share with the vlogging. And, nagpapahinga lang ako ngayon dito sa Siago. And, maybe later, mag-swim ako dyan. Or maybe I'll go to Cloud9, whatever. I don't know pa. I don't really have agenda to this afternoon. But tomorrow, I'm gonna have my tour with Kuya Adam. But, yeah. You know, what's my realizations here in the island? Um, Meron pala talagang slow-paced life. Like, it really does exist pala. I thought, by slow pace lang, like, forced pa yung pagka-slow niya. But no, here pala sa Siargao, sobrang bagal pala talaga ng oras. Alam niyo yung I'm so used to the anxiety life sa Manila. Like, para ako naka-flight or fight lagi. But dito wala. It's just so calm. Despite being alone. Kasi, since it's my first time, of course, nag-a-adjust pa rin ako. And, may takot. But it's not the same as anxious eh. I'm still happy trying to get myself familiarized with things. Kaya, yeah, it's very worth it na I did this on my own. Hi guys, so we're at Matcha Bar and I bought their matcha agave. And this is my second matcha on my day to in Siargao. And ito naman yung tatry ko for today. And let's see kung masarap. Oh my god. Feel ko sumarap siya kasi may agave. I mean, I wanted to try na matcha lang and oat kaso gusto ko rin matry kasi yung agave, yung may agave na matcha. So, not bad. Sarap siya. I bought this for 280 pesos. Mahal, but yeah, that's the way it is. Again.
Go. Go na, ma'am. Oh, tita. Ayo, jari.
Guys, so Little Hawaii ba? Wait, I forgot the yung name talaga ng place na to. Burgos ata. Yeah, I think it's Burgos. And tapos na ako mag-picture dyan sa area na yan. Aray ko. Ngayon, hit naman tayo sa Secret Mountain View. And it's 5 minutes walk. At sana kayanin natin. That was the last bit of my vlog, guys, kasi hindi na talaga ako nakapag-vlog. Aside sa napuno yung memory ng phone ko kasi naka-iCloud ako and nagka-issue siya kasi mabagal yung signal sa island. Well, hindi naman, pero yeah, hindi talaga kinaya ng phone ko. But I really wanted to enjoy na lang my stay in Siargao for the whole 6 days and 5 nights. And for sure, I'm definitely going back here. And yeah, I'm glad that I met people and a place to go back to.